I'm going to show you how to make some really easy dinner rolls in less than an hour. To your mixer, you're going to add 1.5 cups of white flour, 1/3 cup of sugar, and 1.5 tablespoons of yeast. To my saucepan, I have 1/2 cup of water, 1/4 cup of butter, and 1 cup of milk. And I'm going to warm this up. I'm going to mix my dry ingredients together before I add my wet, or my wet ingredients. You want them you want it like 125-ish degrees. I'm almost there. I'm now going to add my my wet ingredients to my dry. I don't have a thermometer anymore, so I'm kind of just guessing here. I'm going to mix them together. Your cake's in the oven? Alright, just going to scrape the sides here and let it mix for another minute or two. You could do this all by hand. It'd be kind of a pain, but you could. So don't be discouraged if you don't have a mixer. Sorry, Drake's joined us. Now I'm going to add 1/4 cup of whole wheat flour. Now I'm going to mix this, and then I'll add another cup to 2 cups of flour. So we'll see how it'll look after this. Alright, I'm gonna add another cup of whole wheat. I'll do half and half. 1/2 cup of flour and then 1/2 cup of whole wheat. Or roughly. The thing is I don't know how much, I don't know if you could do it completely whole wheat. They might not be as good. This isn't the healthiest roll. But I know a little whole wheat gives it a great flavor and a great texture. So I'm adding another cup of flour. Like I said, I did roughly half and half, but you could do whatever you would like. Alright, my mixer has it pretty well kneaded. You could definitely, again, do this by hand. So I'm going to let it keep going for just a second, and then I'm going to put it in a grease bowl to rise. Here is my dough. You could add more flour if you need to, but I think I'm going to be good with just this much. And now I'm going to put it in my greased bowl, cover it with a towel, and let it rise. Alright, it's been rising now for about 15 minutes. Beacon, you think? And I'm just going to punch it down and make little rolls out of it. Alright, so when I do my rolls, I like to make them look pretty, so what I do
Hey, can you make a ball?
I am making balls, because these are going to be our dinner rolls.
Yeah?
I'll do another one.
Hold it?
Oh, well, we got to bake them all first, baby.
Right.
So I kind of just quartered my dough, so it's easier to work with.
Oh.
Put it back down, sweetie. He's helping me bake today. So you got your ball. I just kind of flatten it out a little. And then start working the edges over. And then start pinching the bottom together. And then I just do a little twist to hold it all in place. But then that way, you get a really pretty ball. Now, is that the way you're supposed to do it? I have no idea. That's just kind of how, no idea. Are you making fun of me?
Uh-huh.
That's nice, thank you.
I'm making...
Nothing like your 3-year-old to make fun of you. So, yeah, I don't know if that's the way you're supposed to do it or not. It's probably supposed to be a prettier rise, something or other, I don't even know. But, that's just how I've been making my rolls for as long as I can remember, so. Yep. Just gonna keep going.
What do I make? Look, I did.
Good job. How you doing? Alright, now I've got my rolls on my cookie sheet. I made, what, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, well, 14. And this one over here, Deacon did. I think he did a pretty good job. So now I'm going to throw the towel back on them, let them rise for another 15 minutes, and then we'll see how they look. My rolls have just 2 minutes left of rising, so I'm going to melt some butter to put on top of them. I don't have a microwave, so you could use a microwave here. And they're under here. Alright, my rolls have risen for another 15 minutes. Let's take a peek. Yay, gorgeous. Alright, I'm going to brush them with some butter. I'll show you that. Sorry about the view with this pot. I'm doing a ton right now, so I'm short on counter space. Save the rest for after they come out. I'm going to throw these in the oven at 350 degrees. Alright, these guys cooked for 20 minutes, and now I'm going to brush them with the rest of that butter. And there you have it. Easy dinner rolls in 1 hour or less. I hope you guys enjoy. That one's yours? Mm-hmm. So you're going to eat that one when we go camping?
Uh-huh. I won't eat this one when we go camping. This one, we will go camping and eat one.
Mm-hmm. Yep, we're going to eat them when we're camping. I think they'll be pretty good. What do you think?
Really good.